Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain at connect.dataczar.com. So first thing you do is you go to dataczar.com and you get logged in. So we're going to click on the login. And we're actually already logged in. It takes us to dashboard in the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We'll go full screen. Just very briefly, the website button, this is the website builder. So if you weren't transferring your domain, these are the tools that you would use. And let's tab over. This is our website, one of the websites we've been working with. We put a post on here, how to transfer your domain. And these are the steps that you're going to be doing. And this is a good place to pause the tutorial video if you want to notate these. But we're going to go over these in just a moment. So if you're switching your web hosting providers, you want to transfer your domain, go to the Domains button on the main menu. Click on Settings. We're going to be going through all this. Click on Advanced. Unlock Domain. Unlock Auth Code. Click on Request. And then you provide the transfer authorization code to your alternate provider. And make sure that you leave the Obtain Auth Code unlocked and leave the domain unlocked. So let's go back to Connect. So you're going to start off on the dashboard, as I mentioned earlier. And then to obtain your transfer authorization, go to the Domains button on the main menu. You could click straight on Advanced here. We're going to click on Settings, because if you have more than one domain, you'd click on Settings first. And then you click on Advanced. And then you're going to click on Unlock Domain. It's pretty simple. And then scroll down and click on Obtain Auth Code. And you're going to click on Request here. I'm actually not going to request it because I don't want to obtain it for this, but you click on Request here, and that's pretty much it. It's going to give you the transfer authorization code when you click on Request. The thing that you want to be sure that you do, though, is you want to leave this unlocked. You want to leave this unlocked. So after you obtain your transfer authorization code, just click back on the Domains button. And if you go back to Advanced here, you'll see that everything remains unlocked. So go back to the Domains button. And that's pretty much it. Quickly, though, if you were to work on your website and if you did need help, the Help button's always a good place to go. The featured tutorial videos is great. And then also we do have the Help Center here where there's some really good topics and so forth. You can always click on the Help Center. And let's go back to the dashboard. And that's it. That's how to transfer your domain with Dataczar Connect.